toiletries. But there's no tissue. Oh, no, there is. And an added one. It's a hard surface disinfectant. It's your bathroom. Okay. Rain shower. Then this safety box. Okay, still have those. We still got bathrobes, slippers, iron. And then we have the kettle. This one, it's not part of the hotel. We ordered a bucket of ice. And that's the bed. And then this is additional loot for all of your disinfecting and sanitizing stuff. That is your TV, work area, couch, and then here's your plates and utensils that is under the drawer. That's it for the Edsa Shangri-La tour. That's our beautiful view right there. Hey guys, so this is the kit that came with the Edsa Shangri-La. So I always bring this with me. It's super helpful in these days that we all need some protection. So this one includes face mask. So this one has 2 face masks in it, but I've already used the other one, so it's super good to have this every single day, so that whenever you need additional face mask, you could just get it from this pouch. And then it has the alcohol wet wipes with tea tree oil. The brand is called Passion. So it has 2 there. And then it also has the disinfectant spray that kills 99.99% of germs. And aside from the alcohol or disinfectant spray, it comes also with the hand sanitizer. So really good kit that came with the room. Good, special thanks to Edsa Shang that came up with this one. And then I wanted to talk about my experience during the staycation. It was just an overnight staycation, but we felt very safe and protected because based on the video that you saw, before you check in on the hotel, you need to have you need to get antigen test, and it and it is required for every single person that's going to stay in the room. So if you're going to stay there, like all four of you need that test before you can go ahead and check in. And then the room that we stayed in, so one of the perks right now when having a staycation, I don't know if it's the same for all the hotels, but in Edsa Shang you can check in earlier, because the usual check-in is at 2 p.m. But then this time around they're accepting early check-ins, and they're also accepting late checkouts. Like as far as I can remember, it's until 6 p.m. You can check out 6 p.m. and not 12 noon, which is the usual checkout time. And the reason for this is that the hotel is not 100% occupancy. So meaning like in the past, they need for you to check out of the room by 12 because someone else is going to stay in that same room, and they have to clean the room for about 2 hours after you leaving, so that the next occupants will be able to check in by 2 p.m. But now, since I'm not sure if 30% or 50% occupancy rate in Edsa Shang. So, and we were also told that the room is not going to be occupied after 7 days of someone else using that same room. So the room that you're going to stay in has been empty since the past 7 days. So nobody has stayed in that room, which is also another layer of protection or security and safety for you to be able to, not be scared and paranoid if someone else who's infected by COVID has stayed in that room, because we all know, even if it's been clean and all that, we still get paranoid sometimes if maybe it's not been cleaned entirely, or somebody else was infected and has stayed in the room, but it wasn't properly clean. So that's one thing that I can say. And the staycation was we did that last November, and it's already the 3rd month since we last stayed there, and there's nothing wrong with nothing happened. Like, I didn't get sick or anything. So yeah. So really, I strongly recommend Edsa Shangri-La Hotel as one of the safest staycation hotel places that you can check out. You're going to feel safe and protected. They all have alcohols and disinfectants everywhere around the hotel. They follow all of the protocols regarding precautionary measures, so that you'll feel safe and secured and protected, and that you won't be able to catch any virus out there. So the room is so clean, super well maintained, and the staff is they're all very friendly, they're all nice. They would cater to everything, that all our needs. Like if we ask for additional remote control, or we also ask for additional water bottles, they would respond quickly. And it's it's something that you wanted to try this time since we're all stuck in each of our homes. So this time it's a new ambience that at least one day you would want to try. So there. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or any suggestions you would like to ask. So, thank you all for watching. Bye!